to the channel. Thank you guys for always coming back. To my new subscribers, you're most definitely welcome. On this channel, we do all things personal finance, self development, and self growth tips. If there's the kind of content you'd love to see, kindly watch to the very end. Do not skip any part. In this video, guys, we've spoken a lot about, wealth creation, but what can actually ensure that we create wealth this year is to have assets. And so, if you're interested in knowing what assets are, what are some examples of assets that we can acquire in this year to ensure that we create wealth this year, you want to watch till the very end. Let's delve right into today's video. The very first assets you want to acquire this year. What are assets in the first place? Assets are things that bring money or ensure that the cash continually flows into accounts or our pockets. And that is basically what assets are. They bring money to our pocket. We might spend money on acquiring them, but as time goes, they ensure that money keeps flowing into our pocket without us even, putting in any effort again. So the very first asset you can start, you can get, or you can acquire this year are shares of companies. There's a general rule of thumb where there are products you usually use on a daily, on a regular. These companies have been in existence for a long time. They've been doing very well, thriving for themselves, and so you want to be a part owner, own a piece of those companies. That is a very good way to start off. And so just really sit down and analyze what are products are used on a regular. Are they on the stock market? Make sure you acquire assets of these companies, okay? These companies to ensure that you are being paid dividends or you can get um, capital gains, get capital gains means that you bought a share for this amount of money, but as time goes on, the price increases. That's a way of gaining more money on the share you bought. The second one is having mutual funds, and mutual funds are a pool of funds, a pool of monies from different individuals all put together and being put into different diversified investments like government bonds, treasury bills, like stocks, index funds, ETFs. All these are ways of ensuring that they diversify the portfolio, and at the end, the investors gain a percentage of interest on their money. It's a very good investment. You can start off with a very good assets to have this year. The third asset you can have is going to real estate. It's a very slow but very powerful asset to have. You can acquire lands, build properties, rental properties, apartments that you can rent out people, office spaces. All these are very good investments or assets you can have. And as time goes on, the prices appreciate over time. If you do not have the cash or the capital instantly, you can go into buy shares in real estate companies. It's called the Real Estate Investment Trust, REIT. They ensure that you buy shares in these companies. They use these monies of yours to undertake a project, and when they uh, they get the money at the end, they are licensed by law to give off more than 90% of their profits to their investors. This is a very good way of earning passive income, and so you want to have a REIT as an asset this very year or now. Right now, as we're speaking, you can do your research about REITs, how you can acquire them in your country or the locality of abode. Number four, guys, is digital products. Having ebooks, e-courses. You know something that someone else does not know. Put it into a book online that people can purchase. You just do the work once, and you have a course online. You do the work once, and from years and years to come, people would purchases. You can be buying, and people can be buying your product online whilst You are even asleep, making money whilst you sleep. Number five, guys, are dividend paying assets. Not every asset pays dividends. And a very good example of assets that pay dividends are stocks of companies. And so do your due diligence of researching for the particular stocks that pay dividends and acquire them as assets for you. Guys, it's a business system. Put in place a system that runs without your effort, without your input, and it's going to ensure that it generates the cash flow coming in at all times. This is a very good investment or an asset to have this year. You can run something online, a business online without your presence or without your input. They are all good ways of earning income or bringing the cash flow. Finally, guys, it's your brand. Build your brand very, very well. Your brand can be your name, your voice, or your content to ensure that you are positioned so very high as attractive or very valuable to solve problems, provide value for people, and that would ensure that you ensure continually bring. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below. If you have any questions, you have any contributions, additions, we would really, really appreciate that. Let us hear from you in the comment section down below. And do not check out my previous videos and watch out for the next one. Do subscribe. Click on the subscribe button down below to get subscribed to join my amazing family. Like, give me a massive thumbs up if you love this content. I'll see you in the next one. Check out my previous video and I'll see you in the next one. The Lord bless and keep us all. It's bye for now.